How to convert Facebook account to business page. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new video, and in today's video we will see how we can convert Facebook account to a business page. So let's get started. First of all, launch the Facebook application and make sure that you're logged in with your Facebook account. Once you're logged in, now navigate to top right corner and tap on the profile icon with 3-line icon. That's gonna take you to your menu page. Here, scroll down a bit and on the menus, you have to find the menus that says pages. If you're not able to find it, tap on see more. After that, you will be able to find pages menu, tap on pages. Now on the pages, tap on this option or button that says create from your top left corner. Now, tap on get started to create a business page. Here you have to write the name of your page. You can use the name of your business, brand or organization, or a name that helps explain your page. So simply type in the name of your business. For example, I want to create a clothing business. So for that, I will just go with clothing. Then tap on next. Here it says page's name that are two words are not allowed. Try a more specific name. Then tap on next. After that, you have to choose the category that describes your business. Here it says a category will help people find this page in search results. You can add up to 3. So here you can add up to 3 categories. Since I have a clothing business, I will just go with the clothing store, women's clothing store, and then apparel and clothing. Once you're done choosing the category, then tap on create. Now again it says what describe your goals. We will use this to help you finish setting up your business page. It won't change the access to all your pages feature. So according to your preferences, you have to choose one from here. The first option is promote your product or services, and the second option create content and connect with friends. So we will just choose the first option since we have a business page. Then tap and continue. Now you have to fill up this form, which will ask for your bio, your contact, your website, email, phone number, your location, your zip code, and everything. So once you fill all this up, then tap on next. After that, you have to set up a profile for your business page. Once you set up a profile, you will have a business page ready. So that's how you can convert your Facebook account into a business page, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like and comment. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.